Hey guys, Sandra here, and I'm back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please subscribe to the channel and click the thumbs up. Click the bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So today I'm going to talk about LeadSkimmer and the money making option. Now, this is not mandatory to upgrade. You can stay a free member for as long as you like, forever. Okay? Remember, LeadSkimmer is free to join and it will build your list 3 times faster. LeadSkimmer has been around since 2009. Today, though, I want to talk about the income stream you can make with this lead generating system. Also, I will have more videos available about LeadSkimmer in my playlist, so look out for those videos. Now, today, as I was saying, we will talk about how to make money with how to make money while building your email list. So, in this video, how LeadSkimmer builds your list, I have already done a video about that. And actually, that's the last video that I did. So I will leave a link down below so that you can look at that video if you have not seen it already in the description. And now we will look at this video, which is how LeadSkimmer makes you money. So I will play the video and I will let Jeff explain it to you, because he explains it much better than I can. And I will play it now so you will know exactly how to make money with LeadSkimmer. And I will be back after the video.
Hey, it's Jeff here again. This video is going to show you how you can make a ton of money with leadskimmer.com. Okay, we did show you in the above video, a previous video, how the lead generation system works and how, as a qualified member, you can explode your list. Now, the same process is used in LeadSkimmer to make you money. And the same exponential growth that you saw is also applied to your LeadSkimmer income, okay, which is really exciting, and I will explain how that works here in this video. First of all, I explained before in the previous video again that in order to start your own lead lines, you need to be a qualified member, right? Having 3 unique leads generated by you through our system. Now, there is a way to fast track that process and get you qualified immediately. Okay, so that none of your leads are passed up and that you can start building your own lead lines, right? Remember, right away. You can start building them without having to pass any leads up. And that way is to become a LeadSkimmer premium. My rating's bad here. A LeadSkimmer premium member. Now, as a premium member, you're instantly qualified to start your lead lines right away. Now, and on top of that, as a premium member, you're also qualified right away to start earning commissions from anyone in your lead lines that become premium members as well. Okay, now really quickly, let me explain how this in itself can lead to some serious income for you. In the previous video, right, we saw how your list size can grow really quickly with how our software works, right? You've got your 1 lead line, they need to get 3 to qualify themselves, and those 3 again go to you on your list, right? And then they need to get 3 more circles. Those leads, sorry, all go up to you as well, right? Because they are all qualifier leads for these people to get qualified themselves. So every one of those first 3 leads that we're talking about that go, you know, infinite levels deep, right? Every one of those first 3 leads that gets added to your list, they also become your personal referrals in LeadSkimmer. Okay, they become your referrals in LeadSkimmer. Okay, now what does that mean? Now that means all of these leads generated through your lead lines are thinking seriously about becoming premium members as well, and they're also watching these videos, right? And since these qualifier leads that are passed up to you are now your personal referrals in LeadSkimmer. Guess who gets paid when they become premium members? Guess who gets paid? Yes, you do. Okay, so that money, when they upgrade, goes to you from all these people that are in your lead lines. So it's very important to understand that. Okay, if you are not a premium member, when one of them upgrades to premium as well, guess what? The commissions bypass you and get passed above you. Okay, you don't get paid for them. And you do not want to miss that. You do not want to miss that, considering all of these people being added to your list are also your referrals in LeadSkimmer, potential upgrades, all of them right here, infinite levels deep. Okay, and you can make a lot of money selling to your list, okay, that can build for you through LeadSkimmer for free without upgrading, and a lot of people do, but you don't want to miss the income opportunity within this whole marketing funnel itself, right? And with the way that LeadSkimmer builds deep like this, by the power of 3, all being passed up to you, it's like a funded proposal that just keeps on selling itself over and over again, right? And you need to be making those commissions. You need to be making them, not your uplines. I mean, agreed? You need to be making that money. Okay, now, the premium membership does not just qualify you quicker, and it doesn't just enable you to earn commissions on your referrals. Okay, there's a lot more value to the premium membership than that. Okay, and the extra features included in the premium membership are going to allow you to promote, and they're going to allow you to make even more money for yourself as a premium member. It's not just about the upgrades. Okay, now looking at how the system builds and how your income, okay, can build exactly the same way, you know, I hope you can see that premium is the way to go. Okay, so that explains how you can make money, a lot of money, with the premium membership at leadskimmer.com. Okay, it's very cool, it's very quick, it's very lucrative, and you should really seriously check it out right away before you start promoting, because once you start promoting and you're not a premium membership, remember, these people, their money gets passed up above you, and you don't want that to happen. You want it to go to you. You want this money to go to you. So I hope you can see that premium is the way to go. You can check out the links on this page, probably below this video. And thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to be doing business with you as a premium member. Have a great day.
Okay, so you can see now the advantages to being a premium member, and also here you can see that I recently received $25 from someone that upgraded to become a premium. So there's a lot of advantages to becoming premium, but you should upgrade as soon as possible if you can, so that you don't miss out on those upgrade commissions. I think it's $49 one-time fee, and you get $25 for each person that upgrades under you. So if you could possibly upgrade as soon as possible, that would be the best thing if you don't want the commissions to go to me. But remember, LeadSkimmer is free to join, and you can build your list 3 times faster as a free member. You don't have to upgrade if you don't want to. So sign up for a free account. The link is in the description. You have nothing to lose for signing up with a free account. And if you haven't seen my last video, I will link it down in the description below. Click the thumbs up in the video if this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. Also subscribe and click the bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload a video. I will be uploading more videos on LeadSkimmer and other traffic generating tools and opportunities for your business and money making opportunities. Thank you again for watching, and remember, you must hustle.